Does holding metal in a storm actually put you at risk, or is that just another myth? While metal is a good conductor of electricity, it doesn't pull lightning toward it. Instead, if lightning strikes nearby, metal can efficiently carry the current. Lightning is attracted to the tallest objects in an area, regardless of whether they are metal or not. It seeks the path of least resistance to the ground, and taller objects like trees, poles, or buildings are often the closest. Open spaces or high ground are more likely spots for lightning to strike, whether there's metal there or not. So now you know,